Hello, my name is Shivam Tiwari. Today I am going to discuss class 10th mathematics chapter and name of the chapter is trigonometry. Okay, first of all, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is derived from two Greek words. The first word is tignon and the second word is metry. What is the meaning of trigonon? Trigonon meaning is triangle. And what is the meaning of metry? Metry means measurement. So trigonometry is nothing but measurement of a triangle is called trigonometry. And which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. And what type of measurement? Measurement of an unknown angle, measurement of unknown side. Okay, so first of all, what is angle? Angle is actually take a ray, suppose this is our ray OA. I rotate the end point of A in such a way like that. Okay, so this is called what? This is called angle. And let us take theta. This is called angle. Okay, now in this chapter, the first topic is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? There are 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratio. 6 trigonometric ratios. Number 1 is what? Sin theta. Second one is what? Second one is called cosine theta. What? Cosine theta. Third is called tangent theta, also called tan theta. Tangent theta. Sin theta. Cosine also called cos theta. Tangent theta is called tan theta. Okay. Fourth one called cosecant theta, also called cosec theta. Fifth one is called secant theta, also called sec theta. And last one is cotangent theta, also called cot theta. So in a right angle triangle, suppose this is our right angle triangle and this is 90-degree angle and right angle at B. Suppose this is our theta. Remember that opposite to the 90-degree, the side opposite to the 90-degree is always hypotenuse side. Opposite to the 90 degree side called hypotenuse side. Okay, and opposite to the required angle is called perpendicular and remaining is the adjacent side or also called base. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So here is perpendicular is AB because I take C as a unknown angle which is theta. So perpendicular is AB. Opposite to the angle is perpendicular and opposite to the 90-degree is hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is this. Okay. So AB upon AC. This is sin theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is cosine theta, also called cos theta? This is nothing but this is base upon hypotenuse. Here base is BC, so BC upon AC. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is AB and base is what? BC. So perpendicular upon base. What about cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Just reciprocal of sin theta. So hypotenuse upon perpendicular. What about sec theta? Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. That's why sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. Now what about cot theta? Cot theta is the reciprocal of tangent theta, means tan theta. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Overall conclusion is that remember P, B, P, H, H, B. This is nothing but here like S, C, T. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, tan theta